Yes, guys, in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the exact same ICT strategy that helped me pass my FTMO funded challenge and the exact same ICT strategy that all the members of my group use on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you're struggling to find profitability and you're struggling to find consistency within your trading, then this is the video for you. Before I get into this, I want to make sure you guys are writing notes, and if you guys have any questions or any inquiries, do message me in my Telegram, which is going to be left in the link below. Let's get straight into this. Now, the pairs I use to trade this strategy with are gold, GBP USD, and Euro USD. Now, these are just the pairs I personally use, but you guys are free to go back test and adjust accordingly, because the strategy does work on all pairs. Now, the time zones I use for this strategy are New York Open Kill Zone, which is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. London Open Kill Zone, which is from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and this is actually in the New York timing. So if you're like me and you're not from New York, but you want your trading view to be on New York timing, then just press this time zone button in the bottom right and change accordingly. Now, this strategy is based off of three simple things: liquidity, which would wait for market to sweep; a market structure shift, which would wait for price to show us that it's reversing; and an order block and a fair value gap, which we take our entries off of. I personally, in this strategy, like to use the 1 hour and the 15-minute to mark my areas of liquidity, the 15-minute and the 5-minute to watch for market structure shift, and the order block and the 15-minute and the 5-minute to also look for entries using an order block and a fair value gap. Let's get into this. Now, before I do show you guys a demonstration on the charts, let me show you guys roughly or exactly what this strategy looks like. Say, for example, this is our London or New York Open Kill Zone. Before price comes to this London or New York Open Kill Zone, we let price do whatever the fuck it wants to do. We don't care until price reaches our session. Now, step one, the first thing we want to do when price reaches our session is mark out the previous session highs and the previous session lows. These are our areas of liquidity. Okay, and now the second step we want to do is wait for price to actually sweep one of these areas, one of these highs or lows. And write this down when I'm saying this, guys. When price sweeps the high, we are looking for shorts. When price sweeps the low, we are looking for buys. Okay, so now once price has entered into our session, we just wait for a sweep of either the low or the high. In this example, we are sweeping the low, so we are looking for buys. Now, once price has swept the low, we want to go into our 15-minute time frame, and what will we be looking for? We will be looking for a market structure shift. For example, something like this. Here we are starting to create higher highs and lower highs. Now, once we have seen a market structure shift, say for example there's an order block or a fair value gap here, it's as simple as this, guys. We mark out our area and just patiently wait for price to retrace back into an order block or a fair value gap. And I say patiently wait because if you have no patience in trading, you, my friend, are fucked. So now once prices come into our area, it's as simple as that. We take our entry, stops right below the order block, and target in other areas of liquidity or any major key areas within the market, just like that. Now, before I do show you guys a live example, I just want to show you guys our new EA bot, which actually works on funded accounts and live account challenges. As you guys can see from the results here, absolutely amazing. $100 days, FTMO phase 1 passed, 6k days, 30 minutes, and I've made 150. I'm quitting my day job this year once I start getting my payouts. Crazy. Wow, $500, 1 week's wages of 30 minutes. Trading can really change your life, for real. So if you guys want to find out more, or you guys are just interested in hearing more about the bot, do make sure to message me on my Telegram, which is going to be in the link below. You can book a call and we give you 24/7 support. This bot trades for you passively without you having to do absolute thing. Anywho, let's get into this live example. Okay, so here, what's the time in this chart now? So here, as we're in London, we'd be waiting for 7 a.m. Okay, so 7 a.m. This candle is a 7 a.m. candle. Before this candle, okay, let me make it clearer for you guys here. This would be our 7 a.m. candle. Now, once price has come into this 7 a.m., we would have already marked out the previous session lows and the previous session highs. Now, as you guys can see, price has swept these lows, and what we'd be looking for now is a market structure shift on the 15-minute or the 5-minute. And in this scenario, I'd be looking for a break of this area here. So you wait patiently. Let me speed things up for you guys. Maybe hold on. All right, we've got a market structure shift here. Now, what I'd be waiting for on this 5-minute would be a retracement back into this order block right here. And yeah, again, I cannot stress to you guys enough the importance of waiting and being patient in trading. So hold on, there's nothing on the 5-minute now, but we do have this 15-minute order block. Will we get a retracement? We don't know. If we don't get a retracement, you do not trade. It's as simple as that. Where a lot of people go wrong is they have fear of missing out, and they forget that tomorrow is another day and that you don't need to make $1 million trading today. Now, all we simply be waiting for is a retracement back into this order block. As soon as price touches our order block, we'd be setting our stops right below here. 200 pips. Oh, hold on. 200 pips stop loss, and we be marketing the previous session highs, which as you can see is a 4.7 risk to reward. So we're tapped in here. How much are we up now? You probably move your, we're up 1 to 2, so you probably taking partials or move your stop loss definitely into profit. Will we reach these previous session highs? Yes, we will. And it's as simple as that. Trading is as hard as you make it to be. You have one strategy, you wait for your system to play out, and it's as simple as that. Now, if you guys have any questions or any inquiries, make sure you do hit me in my Telegram below. And if you guys are interested in the bot, then do hit me in my Telegram below as well. See you guys in the next video. Ciao.